Welcome to ClearTask. If you believe you have overpaid income tax in the UK, whether from a job, a pension, or work expenses, getting your money back is a very straightforward process. Today, we are looking at the most updated and secure way to claim your tax refund online. First, always avoid third-party companies that try to take a cut of your refund. Claiming is completely free when you do it directly through Revenue and Customs. Start by navigating to the official gov.uk website and searching for Check How to Claim a Tax Refund. Alternatively, you can download the official HMRC mobile app, which is currently the fastest method available. You will need to sign in to your personal tax account using your government gateway ID. If you do not have one yet, the website will seamlessly guide you through setting it up. Once you are logged in, check your main dashboard. If the government has already calculated that you overpaid, you will see a P800 tax calculation. The system will clearly display the exact amount you are owed. Simply select the option to claim your refund online. You will be prompted to enter your UK bank account details. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finalize your request. When you claim your refund online directly to your bank, the money is typically transferred within 5 working days. If you opt for a paper check instead, expect a processing time of up to 6 weeks. Always double check that you are on the official gov.uk domain before entering any personal details. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more clean, direct, and professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.